What up everyone, this is Motorola, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows Security Service Center is turned off or missing on your Windows 10 or 11 device. So let's get right into this. So there's a few ways to do this. The first thing you should do is to go to your services, basically your search bar, type in services. In here, find the Windows Security Service section. So right here, double click into it, and in here, if you are able to basically press the start button to start the process, do so and change the startup type from manual to automatic. Basically, you want to do these two specific sections over here to kick the process off and turn it on. Now, if you're not able to essentially do it from here, the next thing you want to do to basically go into this spot is go back into your search bar and type in reg edit to open up the registry editor. In here, we're going to basically do a few things to get to the spot to do what we need to do, right? So in here, we're going to open up HKey local machine. Then we're going to open up where it says system. Then we're going to open up current control set. So, excuse me, let me find it. Then we're basically going to open up where it says services. And then we're going to open up that Windows security thing. So it's WSM, I believe. So let's try to find it. Or WSC, let's see. Well, I gotta go to W first. So trying to, right here. So it should be W. Let's try to find it right here, this one. So once you have this one popped up, so it's the WSCSVC, right? So that's the one we're looking for. Once we're in here, we're going to open basically where it says start. We're going to double click into this, and you want to make sure 2 is basically the value data chosen here. Once you do that, press OK, restart your computer, try again, and you should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please press up, gun channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. On that, Motorola's out. Peace.